children, good morning. So today I am going to start for you that is from grammar, English grammar. So today I am going to do one and many, that is singular and plural. So this is for first standard. So already in the previous class we have completed for you that is the naming words for you. The naming words, that is a noun is the name of the person, place, animal or thing. So already I have explained you, and today I am going to explain you about the singular and plural. So what is the singular and what is plural? So today, so singular, a noun. So any noun, that is noun. So what did I tell? What is a noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal, birds or thing. It includes in noun. So here, if the noun comes, so what you have to add in the for singular. So first, what is singular noun? A noun that stands for only one person, animal, place or thing. For one person, okay. For one person, if a person, who is the person? I write girl. For example, I am writing girl. She is one. I am telling only one girl. So I am mentioning only one girl. I am not telling more girls. Okay, here. So it is one girl. So here, person, animal. Any animal you can tell. For example, tiger. Okay, tiger. I am telling only one tiger. So I am not adding s for it. So tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. This is only one. So any one person, animal, place or thing, any place also. So it is one. So that stands for singular. That stands for singular noun. Did you understand, children? More examples. So I will give you. For example, here car, animal. That is only one car. Bus, only one bus. Okay, rose. There is only one rose. I have mentioned only one. Okay. If it is more than two, if it is more than one, if it is more than one means if it is two. If it is two, what you have to? You should. It is plural then. It is what? Plural. So I am explaining only singular noun. So did you understand? A noun that stands for only one person, place, animal or thing. So that is known as what? A singular noun. So here next we have plural noun. So here plural noun, a noun that stands for more than one. So here more than one means it is. So here I have written girl, one girl. If it is more than one, if there are two girls, okay, two girls. So how you are going to write? You are going to add s. So you are adding s in the plural. You are adding s in the plural. So what is the singular of girls? What is the singular of girls? The singular of girls is girl. So what is the singular for girls? It is girl. So this is singular and this is plural. So which is singular and which is plural for you now? So I am going to write down. So here this is singular. So singular and this is plural. So for example, now you have to give me more examples here now. So this is girl. Okay, this is girl and this is singular. This is singular noun. Okay. So what you are going to write for plural noun? So you are going to write girls. So you are adding s. What you are adding here? You are adding only s. That time it will become what? It will become the plural noun for you. If it is more than one, so you think there are two girls. Now I have written one girl, that is in the singular. If there are two girls, okay, two girls. When you see or when you notice, you can say you will know that there are more girls or more boys. If I give you like one rose flower in my hand, it is one rose flower. You can see there is only one. If there are more flowers, like a bouquet of flowers are there. So you can write roses. How you write roses? There are many roses, many roses. So next, car. So there is one car in the singular, and what you write for the plurals? Cars. Did you understand, children? So what we are adding here? What we are adding? We are adding s. We are adding s in the plural. Where we are adding? We are adding s in the plurals, not in the singular. Don't get confused, children. Did you understand? So in the singular, we learned that a noun that stands for only one person, place, animal or thing. So already I have written the example also. I hope so you have understood. Next, that is plural. So plural, I told. Plural noun stands for more than one person, animal, place or thing. More than one. So now you can see there is only one duster in my hand. So only one duster. So what is this? This is the singular noun. One duster I am having in my hand. So what you if I have two dusters in my hand, so what you will tell? Dusters. So I am adding s there. So I am adding what? S. So it is plural noun. So now I have one chalk in my hand. So one chalk. If I have more than one chalk, see I have two chalks. I have two chalks. See, by telling only I am adding s. See here, one chalk, more than one, two. No, it is two. So what it is? Chalks. So it is chalks. So then you have stick. So you have one stick in my hand. So another stick in my another hand. So there are how many? One is singular, and when I add one more, it will be plural. So you have two sticks. Understood, children? One is singular. So one, I have only one now in my hand. So when I take another one, it will be two. So what you will write? Sticks. So how you are going to write? Sticks. One is S-T-I-C-K, stick. So what you are going to add here now? Sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S. Six sticks. Okay. So what you are going to add now is, understood, children? So today we learned that is one and many. That is the lesson what I did. One means singular. One means singular. That is more than one means plural. So I have given examples also. So I am going to read the textbook for you once again. That is page number 13. So already I have told you a noun that stands for only one person, animal, place or thing is said to be singular. Next, that is plural. A noun that stands for more than one person, place, animal or thing is what? Plural. So what we do? We change the noun. So these are all what? Nouns. So what I have written? Even the girl is noun, car is noun, stick is noun, all these are noun. All these are nouns. So what we are adding for the nouns? We are adding yes. So what we are adding? We are adding yes for the nouns. So you can see in your picture also. So they have given you pictures. That is page number 13. See, there is one bell. One bell. There is only one. So this is singular thing. This is singular. So if there are more than one, so this is two bells means. See, they have already added. See the spelling. See the spelling of the bell. B-E-L-L bell. B-E-L-L-S. So what they have added here? Bells. So there is more than one. So that it will become what? Plural. It will become plural form. So you can see here one book. There are 8 books. They have counted and they have written the number and they have added for books. Yes. Okay, children. I hope so you have understood. That is in the next page, page number 14. So you have exercises in your that is page number 14. So I'll do for you like 3 or 4 and others try to do yourself. The first one is add S. So the exercise A, page number 14. Exercise A, page number 14. Apple. So they have given. So I am going to write like this for you. You will be able to understand clearly. That is singular and plural. So already in textbook they have given you singular noun. What they have given? Singular noun. For example, first one apple. So what they have given? Apple. So what do you have to write for the plural noun? Can anyone in the class tell me? So what you are going to write? Apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apples. So what you are adding here? You are adding yes for the plural noun. What you are adding? You are adding yes for the plural noun. Next you have finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Then what you will write for the plural noun? Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers also. Here also you have added yes. Okay, third one. Okay, next it is kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Okay, next this is the noun. So kite is also the noun. That is the finger. Okay, here finger. Finger is also the noun. It is the fingers. Do you know no fingers? What are the fingers? You have in your hand. You have 5 fingers. So these are. If I show you one, this is the one finger. If I show you more than one, so now you have how many fingers in your hand? You have 5 fingers in your hand. So that is what plural noun. So I have written fingers. Now for kite, what you will go adding here? Kites. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Okay, children. I hope so you have understood. Try to do yourself the other words also. Next you have make many words by adding words to one word. So here same thing here also you have to do. They have given first one many. So what you have to do? They have given one word. So you have to add many means you have to add s here. That is they have given singular. So you have to form in a plural noun. Now for that is B. This is the exercise B. Crow. So what you are going to add? This is the singular noun. Now what is this? This is the singular noun. There is only one crow. So you are writing crows. C-R-O-W-S. Okay, C-R-O-W-S. Crows. Okay, next pen. Pens. Book. Books. Lock. Locks. Nest. Nests. Leg. Legs. Bag. Bags. Fan. Fans. Okay, children. Next, see make one word by dropping the s from these many words. See made is very easy. So this made is very easy. And now it will be. So yes, they have added. So you have to drop out s. That is from plural to singular. What is this? From plural to singular. So singular, how you are going to write? Hill, H-I-L-L, hill. So H-I-L-L, hill. So hills, hill. So this is plural. Plural means what? More than one. Singular means only one. Okay. Next you have shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. So they have added s here in the plural. So you have to drop out yes. S-H-O-E. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Next. Third one, flags. F-L-A-G-S. Flags. Next, what you have to do? You have to form in the what? Singular noun. So you have to drop out yes. F-L-A-G. Flag. F-L-A-G. Flag. Okay. Next, you have make many words from the noun in the box and fill in the blanks. Okay. Ravi got many dash on his birthday. So this is D main. So you have to add yes. So in the bracket they have not added s. That it is not in the plural form. So it is what in the bracket answers they have given. It is in the singular form. So you have to select correct answer and you have to do in a plural form. The first one, Ravi got many dash on his birthday. So first one is gifts. G-I-F-T-S, gifts. So in the bracket it is only gift. In the bracket what they have written? It is only gift. So Ravi got many gifts on his birthday. Next, there were 6 dash on the cake. Candles. So second one, C-A-N-D-L-E-S, candles. So the answers also they have given in singular. So what you have to write? While you are writing, you have to write in a what? A plural form. Understood? Next, third one. I hear with my dash. You hear with your what? You are using your, how many years? Do you have 1 year or years? We have 2 years. 1 and 2. So it is what? In singular it is year. 1 year. Okay. When you add yes, it will become years. Okay. That is 2 years. How many years you have? 2 years. So I hear with my years. I hear with my years. Okay. Next, try to do yourself, children. So I hope so you have understood today what I have done. Please watch this video and read from your textbook also. So textbook filling and all I will be sending to your WhatsApp group. Okay children, thank you.